Welcome to AlphaCars and Royal Enfield Boston. Today, we're taking a close look at this like-new 2022 Royal Enfield Continental GT650. This bike is a great find as of today's date when we filmed this video, because Royal Enfield, they don't offer the Mr. Clean color in the latest model year. We can see how gorgeous this color is, that fully chromed out tank with some of the accent colors there in the middle. In this video, we're going to take a nice close look at this bike and learn about its really like-new condition. And it was locally owned, only one owner. We originally received this bike from Royal Enfield, uncrated it, assembled it, and sold it to that owner. And we just recently did the 300-mile service just a bit early. So now you, as the potential next rider, you can turn the key and ride for the full season. It's all serviced, all up to date. It operates as a new bike. If you are interested in this Continental GT, give us a call, 978-263-9000, or send us an email to sales@alphacars.com. We do offer transportation as well. So even if you're not local to us and you've been looking for that like new Mr. Clean Continental, reach out to us and we can have this bike delivered right to your front door. Well, actually, we probably shouldn't put it to your front door, but to your driveway. You get what I mean. But now let's take a closer look at this Royal Enfield. Let's get up close with this Continental, and we can see how gorgeous that tank is. I don't see a single flaw in it. Even the front portion where the rider's belt buckle or jacket might make contact, it's really imperfection free. Maybe a couple superficial little scuffs, but it's really hard to see if there are any there. The grips, all the controls are as new. Let's turn the key. It does have the two factory keys with it, as we can see right there. 271 miles. It does have a full tank of gas. We will start it up, do a cold start in just a few minutes here, and I'll have a fellow co-worker take it around the lot so we can see it ride. But if you look, all of the endpoints of the bike, they're all clean, no imperfections on them. Always check the bar ends, the levers, check the bottom of the foot pegs. I don't see any evidence that this bike has ever been dropped. It all looks perfectly clean. Even look at the chrome on the exhaust pipes. It's all like new. The chrome on the engine cases, the headers. Now looking at the tank from this angle, we've got this nice looking seat here. Of course, there's so many accessories for the Continental to really personalize it. We do offer hundreds of accessories here at AlphaCars and Royal Enfield Boston, and those we can ship right to your door. They'll be in a box, and I'm sure the carrier will probably drop it right to your front door, depending on where you live. So check that out on shop.alphacars.com. But back to this bike, the headlight glass, or the headlight lens rather, looks great. Front fender, tires, brakes, everything is like new. We can see the rotor condition is nice and clean. We've got the floating rotors here on the Continental, nice 2-piston caliper up front. And if we go around to the back of the bike, we've got a single piston caliper, and same thing, floating rotor drilled as well. And that surface is nice and clean. Chain was lubricated and adjusted properly. So of course, chain and sprockets, everything. It's a bike with 270 miles on it. There's not really a whole lot to talk about regarding the condition, I guess. But even look at the end of the exhaust pipes. There's no, rust or pitting. Like, this bike was stored inside. Doesn't even look like it was ridden in the rain. There's not like a spot of corrosion on any of this bike. Something to keep in mind, really easy to service yourself. The spin-on oil filter, yeah, it's a car style spin-on oil filter, is right on the front of the engine there. So super easy to do your own servicing, or of course you can bring it to AlphaCars and we'll do the servicing for you as well. But now let's turn the ignition on and we're going to start it up. We are not in neutral, so let's click it into neutral. And now let's start it up. fires right into life. That parallel twin. And it is about 32 degrees today. It's a little bit of condensation coming out of the pipes. It's totally normal. But it runs really good, really smooth. And now I'm gonna have a co-worker take the bike for a spin around the parking lot. I personally rode this as well. Clutch is super smooth, all the gears engage as they should, runs super smooth. Of course, we're taking it easy. It is cold out with some snow and ice. But it's really like getting a new bike, this Mr. Clean Continental. So now that we've gone over the condition of this Continental, we've seen it ride around and really just further proven the point of it being a like new motorcycle. I will note it does have a really nice accessory on it. It has the bar end mirrors. So those look great and they are included with the bike. I believe those are $200 or $300 from Royal Enfield, just the parts, never mind installation. So that's a great accessory that really, I think the bar end mirrors, it really completes the look with that cafe style bike. But I want to thank you for watching this video. This has been Ian reporting from our Boxborough showroom. If you are interested in this Continental, and if it's still available, you can view it on our website, alphacars.com. If it is still available, you can view the pricing as well, and you're just one click away from that information. So once again, thank you for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe if you thought it was informative or enjoyable to watch, and then you won't miss any future motoring content.